Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video guys, I'm going to guide you how to fix the issue. Your Windows 11 installation is stuck on the screen, and in this video I will show you how to fix it. So I'm using here the virtual machine just to show you. Basically what happens when you are trying to install a window on your computer and it's a new setup. This kind of window should appear on your screen. So what you need to do is, let's tell you from the first step. You need to click on next, then next, and from here you need to choose the previous version of setup. And once you choose that old setup of Windows, you should able to get, then click on your install, and thereafter choose the, if you have product key, just enter that and choose your the version of setup. And once you choose that, now this time you will not get any issues, and you should able to install the Windows on it. So this is how guys you can fix the issue, and I hope this small video helps you. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching.